Hi guys, ShiggitayMedia here, and today is the day that Hatsune Miku Project Diva MEGA39's or Mega Mikusu or Mega Mix releases, and I just got it in the mail, and I kind of got excited and I unboxed part of it already, but here is what it consists of. Alright, and it comes with, come on camera, keep up with me, a little plastic stand like that. It's in 3 pieces, the back, Miku, and a little logo. Okay, and the rest of it from the box, besides my shipping information, which you can't see, is that little ad, that little girl from Ami Ami. And that's that, and here is the box. This app is pretty slow with video tracking. Okay, so here's this box. And the box, this is the 10th anniversary edition, and it has the game right there, and a set of CDs and other things in there. So let's jack this guy open. Okay, I made an incision. Come on, filming with one hand is crap. Okay. Okay, there we go. And let's see. The game card case. The game case. Oh wow, alright, so this comes off. Oh, it's like a little outer sleeve. Interesting. Okay, and then inside we have the game itself with a sticker on it. Oh, the DLC, yeah. I'll download that later. And the back. Okay, light, can you not? Okay, thanks. Okay, there's the back of that. And that in its entirety. Okay, and then the CD thing. Yeah, there's a ton of CDs in here. That is really cool. And I'm not going to really look into that right now because I want to get to playing the game. But that's that. Get rid of the glare. And there you go. Okay, what is this? Oh, there's like a little spacer in the box here. That's pretty funny. Maybe it's, oh no, it's a divider. That's what it is. It's a divider for the game disc. Yeah, I see what it is. It's a divider for the game disc packaging, right? So let's see if I'm right. So put this back in. Come on, you. Really? Okay, put that in. And this in. Yep, I was right. It's a little spacer for the 2 things that go in the box. So this is a cool little special edition collector's thing. Here's that and the knife I used. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not going to do that to her. And this stupid thing that was at the very top. There's a shipping box. And this is not the most structured unboxing I've ever done. Here's this. Okay. But yeah. That was my unboxing of the Hatsune Miku Project Diva MEGA39's or Mega Mikusu or Mega Mix 10th anniversary edition. Not that spectacular. You know, the game is inside the little game card thingy over there. And oh, okay, cool. I fixed the focus problem. Yay. But yeah, thanks for watching. And this is, you know, like I said, a very rough unboxing. But I'm going to be doing a lot of streams of this game starting now, at the point when I finish recording this, on twitch.tv/ShiggitayOne. That's always in the description below of every video I post. And go ahead and follow me if you want to see me play. At first, it's going to be really crappy how I play because it's a new game. I'm not used to the Nintendo scheme for rhythm games. So for example, I'll be using this Pro controller when I'm home, and the actual Switch right there when I'm on the go. So I'll have to get used to the small buttons at some point. But this is going to be fun, playing a new Project Diva game for the first time since 2012. I don't know, the last time I had a new Project Diva game was 2014. Technically, the arcade port I don't count, but maybe I should. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like, comment, favorite, subscribe, and share if you like this kind of content, or if you're just a filthy otaku like I am. And have a great day.